Hi, my name is Kendall Cornevali, and this is my final project called DuckDuckGoose. So you load into the main menu screen with two buttons and an image key. So clicking directions, this basically just tells you how to play the game. What you want to do is remove as many ducks as you can, and if you remove all of them before the time hits 0, then you get bonus, and if you don't, you just get whatever score you got, and you don't want to hit a goose or else the game will end. So play. We have a countdown, score, and round. So 10 ducks start on the screen, and every one you get gives you 10 points. And if you get all of them, then you get bonus for however many seconds left times 10. So I had 8 seconds left, which gave me 180 in total. So now there's 3 geese, and they're moving kind of faster, but still pretty slow because it's only round 2. Now there's 4. And round 4. Now there's 5. It's getting a little harder, and I died. So I survived 4 rounds. My score was 630, and I can press X to play again. And then, oh no, I died. Game over. I survived 1 round, and I'm gonna press Escape to exit. And that's it.